Oh, go on, people, you don't know, say Yaadman Sports and what they represent for the day 3 World Championship recap. I mean, I feel like somebody take a big stone and slap Jamaica and our kneecap because, to be honest, I go on down at Budapest. I mean, no one of me alone pray that. After we are not idiot. Day 3 is upset, disappointed, and shocked because the whole good medal them out of it and then just a drop. When I watch that still, because Jamaica can't flop. You see me? The wonder kid, the phenom, 18-year-old youth will tear up the world, Jaden Ibert, run on and do him first up and step and the youth get hurt. I nah lie, my heart drop a ground, drop more and drop down my father. But guess what? Every disappointment is for a reason. Just know so we are come for next season. But hear me now, I do a bag of disappointment and shock and them things that they about. We still got a few things to smile about. Because first of all, the 3 women them make it through to the 400-meter hurdle semi-final. That is a wonderful thing, you see me? Next thing to give thanks about, Russia and Clark make it through to the 400-meter hurdles final. And not only that, the man I know the 400-meter under 20 record holder and the national record holder. A big thing is to carry upon him shoulder. So the warrior, Jai Eli, they will make it through to the final. And Frederick Dakers and Travis Michael never get a medal in the discus. But in the 400-meter final, we have Candice McLeod. And with all the going on the day 3, that really make me proud. You see me? So move on to the 110-meter hurdles. Benny never make it through to the final, but Patsy make him a rival. Grant Holloway send him go up on a holiday. But me nah lie to you know, if Patsy get the start and forget, the boy Holloway would have fret, cause you know that would have mean death. But we give thanks to the first medal still. We want a gold, but we get a silver. A whole heap of country never get that yet. Now, if you want to hear about stress and trial and disappointment and shock and tribulation, follow me. Follow me come over here. So. Now take off my shades for that one here. We reach the 100-meter final for the woman them. And we have Sharika and bad girl Shelly. And we go out there and we say we are going to give them belly. We are going to take it, you know. But Sha Carri, we can't be rhyme for now one here. Sha Carri, out in a lane 9. I'm going to put me like one tree with a vine and take him medal. I can't believe it, star. When I like to know people, after the race, my vibes broke. I feel like some just drive on a fireplace and just sit on the car and look out. For no reason, just steer in a space. Because what really going on at the race? I don't want to say it. Congratulations, Sha Carri, aka Weedy, aka Splifftail, aka Hat Grabber, aka Sharkeisha as I call you. Because you run the race, you run your own race, and you win it. Big up yourself for the winnings. It's still not like you. But anyway, you see with the 200, we are carrying belly for you. You better be ready, because we are come fit, and not for your one, a few. But you hear me now? Before nobody say me ungrateful, you have Shelly and Sharika. Big up on yourself, you know. I know you don't want to get the goal, but you're doing yourself proud. You don't know some things still loud. You see me? Now watch no face. We are going for them in the relays. But anyway, I don't know so the Yaadman Sports in our mate and we're there with the day 3 recap. I'm disappointed. I'm gone.